Let's solve the linear equation 2x minus 4 minus x equals 3 times the quantity x minus 1 minus 2. Before I do anything else, I'm going to simplify each side of the equation. There are like terms here, 2x, and there's this minus x, which when I combine end up giving me an x, and then I still have the minus 4. And on the right side of the equation, before I distribute the 3, I'm going to simplify whatever is inside the parenthesis, and basically all I do is minus 1 minus 2 becomes just minus 3. So now I'm going to again rewrite both left and right sides of the equation, and I end up with having to distribute the 3. The 3 will multiply both parts of this difference, so we end up with 3 times x minus 3 times the second term, which is 3. So we end up with x minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 9. And let's see, now I'm going to subtract x from both sides, so that leaves me with a negative 4 is equal to 3x minus x becomes a 2x minus 9. And now I'm going to, let's see, on this new page I had a minus 4 equals 2x minus 9, so minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 9. I'm going to add 9 to both sides of the equation, and I end up with 5 is equal to 2x. Now I'll divide through by the 2, and I end up with 5 halves equals, now 2x over 2. Notice that I am rewriting the equations over and over again. I'm going from one equation to the next one. These are called equivalent equations. The reason I'm recopying them is because I have learned that this is the best way to avoid making any kinds of mistakes. If you want to be getting 100% on your tests, or definitely avoid the dumb mistakes where you know what you're doing but you're still messing up, this is what you want to do. Instead of trying to do the math in your head, just keep writing. Okay, so we end up with a 5 halves is equal to 2x over 2, which is just an x. So overall, I prefer to say x is equal to 5 halves. If you don't like improper fractions, this can be written as a mixed number. So this is actually 2 and 1/2 in mixed number notation, or this is 2.5 in just a regular decimal notation. Okay, so let's see, we can address questions of mixed numbers and their notation versus improper fractions versus just decimal numbers sometimes later. So look for it on the website.